Welcome. Are you ready to spice up your Pinterest comments with those expressive little emojis? In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add emojis to your comment on a pin, using the Pinterest app on your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's make your reactions and feedback more lively than ever. First, open up your Pinterest app on your PC. Take a moment to soak in the fresh look if you haven't updated it yet. It's got some handy new features, including easier emoji access for commenting. Once you're on the app, head straight to your home page. Here you'll see a feed of pins based on your interests, boards, and the creators you follow. Scroll through until you spot that eye-catching pin you just can't wait to comment on. Found it? Great. Click on the pin to open it up. This sets the stage for your comment. Now, look for the comment bar, usually located right beneath the pin's description and current comments. Click into the comment bar. Your cursor's blinking and ready for you to type. Go ahead and type out your thoughts, share a tip, ask a question, or express your admiration. Now comes the fun part. Look for the emojis icon inside the comment bar. It's typically a smiley face, and with the newest update, it's even more accessible. Click on that emojis icon, and a wide range of expressive emojis will pop up. Browse through the collection. Whether it's a heart, a laughing face, or a thumbs up, pick the one that fits your comment best. Click on the emoji you want to add, and you'll see it appear in your comment instantly. Satisfied with your message and emoji combo? Simply click Send. Your comment, now complete with your chosen emoji, will show up right beneath the pin. Others can see your personality shine through, making interactions on Pinterest even more fun and colorful. And that's it. You've just learned how to add emojis to your comments on the Pinterest app for PC, using the latest features. Try it out on your next pin and make your feedback stand out. Thanks for tuning in.